Welcome to qnawire.
Here we're going to have two different reactions, and we want to identify which one is going to be the acid, the base, the conjugate acid, and the conjugate base. So the first reaction that we're going to look at is CH3, CH3, CH3 with an O minus over here, plus HS connected to a cyclohexane. What is going to be the product of this reaction? It is going to be shifted the clear towards the right, and the result is going to be the alcohol plus the compound with S minus and our cyclohexane ring. So this is going to be the first one. And the second reaction that we're going to be looking at is the following. We're going to have a nitrogen with a negative charge. Okay, this is CH3, CH2, nitrogen with two double bonds with a negative charge over here, CH2, CH3, plus an alcohol, CH3 with an OH on this position. And the result for this is going to be, I'm going to put the products down below. We're going to generate, for this equilibrium, CH3, CH2. The nitrogen is going to take away the hydrogen from the alcohol, and it's going to generate over here, let me draw the bond, it's going to generate an oxygen with a negative charge. So CH3, CH2, NH, CH2, CH3, plus CH3, CH, CH3, and O minus. So you can complete, if you want, the lone pairs in all of the cases. For example, over here, double, double, double. And for the case of sulfide, over here we have 2 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think that would be all. Over here, just a pair for the nitrogen, just to keep it all together. And those are going to be the products of both of their reactions. Now let's identify which one is going to be the acid, which is going to be the base, and which is the conjugate acid and the conjugate base. In this case, this is going to be an acid, this is going to be the base, the conjugate acid is going to be the alcohol, and the conjugate base is going to be the sulfide compound. On the second reaction, the one that is going to take away the hydrogen is going to be the base, the alcohol is going to be the acid, thus the conjugate acid is going to be the amine associated to that base, and the conjugate base of the acid is going to be this alkoxide ion that we're going to have present in solution. So that would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.